I got 3 stocks that I'm watching for tomorrow, May 20th. The first stock I'm watching is CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD. If we look at CrowdStrike on the daily chart, it had this parabolic move since April 10th. We actually had over a 73% move. But today we put in this 10 bar, which shows weakness. So if we go to the hour chart, this is what I want to see. If we look at the hour chart, we got what appears to be a head and shoulder. We got the head right here, we got a shoulder, and we got another shoulder. So I'm actually looking for a downside move here. After hours, we broke this 615.2. I want to see if we can hold it and walk down to the 613.6. If we can do that, the next stop is 611. But in the event CrowdStrike decides to get strong, we can walk back up to the 623. If we can break that, the next stop is 627.5 and then 634.3. The next stock I'm watching is SPY. If we look at SPY on the 1 hour chart, SPY been sliding these last couple of days. Been putting in these lower highs. We got a high right here, we got a lower high, even a lower high, and even a lower high. So we're creating some stairs down. This is what I'm watching on SPY. I want to see if we can get some continuation. Keep in mind we got NVIDIA's earnings tomorrow after the bell, so we could be range bound. So I'm going to be patient, but I'm also looking for this breakdown. I want to see if we can break under the 732.4 and hold it. If we can break it, the next stop is 731.6 and then 728.4. But in the event SPY decides to get strong, we can walk back up to the 736, 737.4, and then ultimately the 739.7. And the last stock I'm watching is Zoom, ticker ZM. Zoom reports earnings later on in the week, but this looks like a good opportunity. I think Zoom is setting up nice here to blow the top off. If you look at Zoom, since July 2022, it broke under the psychological level of 100, stayed down there, and finally came up and broke it recently. So if we go to the 1 hour chart, this is what I'm watching. I want to see if we can come back up to reclaim this 98.8. If we can, then the next stop is that psychological 100 level. And then it's 102.3 and 104. But in the event Zoom decides to get weak, we can come down to 96.5 and then ultimately this 94.5. By the way, for further context, if we look on the 1 hour chart, Zoom is also sitting on a flag. I like these flag patterns. Got your flagpole right here, come down, could be blasting off after earnings. Be sure to save this for later. And if you found any value in this content, follow me for more.
Just tryna build